Hi everyone, welcome to Free Tech Training. Today we have a great news for our subscribers. So the great news is I'm going to guide a project for our subscribers. It's a sample business analyst project. So what we are going to do is I will give you a topic and you have to gather requirements for the topic, okay? And when you gather requirements for the topic, I make sure you gather the requirements and document it and send the document to me, okay? That's the sample project. When I say sample project, let's start with the basics of how to first gather the requirements. When a business owner is giving you requirements, right, on a very, very high level, how you need to gather the requirements and how you need to document. That's the basics, okay? We're going to start with that. So the very first project that we are going to try is airlines project. So you can choose any airline, your favorite airline, and then go to their website and then see, okay, how it looks. So first is choose your favorite airline. That's the first thing you have to do. Once you have choose the favorite airline, go to their website and see how they have designed the website, okay? Just assume I'm the business owner for that airline. Now my high level requirement is you have to design a website for my airline. That's a very, very high level requirement I'm giving you. Now, in the very first meeting, what will you do? Okay, so what are the questions you will ask me? Okay, I'm the business owner, I'm coming to you. You are the business analyst for a website designing company. So I'm coming to you and I'm telling that I need a website for my airlines. Okay, that's a very, very high level requirement I'm giving you. Now, you need to gather requirements and then you need to document those requirements. Okay, so first thing what you have to do is, since you are a beginner, it's very easy if you visually see the website, okay? You will get idea what questions you need to ask. So you choose your favorite airlines, go to that website, and then just think from a business owner's perspective, how you can. So you are already seeing the final end product, right? So, okay, now you need to correlate, okay? Now this is a final product that they want, but in order to achieve that, from the basic, what are the questions I need to ask the business owner? Okay, whether like how it should look, what's the front end, how the website should look, and what are the icons should be listed, menus, what are the menu needs to be listed in the website, whether online booking is needed, okay, all those details. As a business analyst, you have to ask the business owners in the requirement gathering session. That you need to do first, and then you need to gather requirements. So my recommendation is choose a website, and first you need to do the very first page. Okay, the very first page, whatever you're doing, right? Simply, like all the menu bars needs to be listed, image needs to be listed, and if a customer wants to book the airlines, he has to go to the booking page. Okay, that's the first requirement I'm giving you. Please, so you need to document this requirement and then send it to my email ID, careerguidanceforeveryone@gmail.com. And then I will put the comment I can give you feedback through the email. And if it's like if so many people are having the same questions, then I can make a video also. So for this project, it definitely takes about 10 days for you to completely design the website, and also from every page, from one page to another page, how you need to gather, how you need to document. So continuously post the comments in the video and I can guide you. Okay, this is free. Please take advantage and learn how to document. And send me the document too. Okay. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.